die-cast cars. My 1/64 scale cars today came in. We're gonna do an unboxing and see what we got today. All right. Pulling this out the box. Uh-oh. Bro. Nothing. But some plastic. Ha. Now. I think I like this. Oh, wow. We're going to pull the first one out. And we got the Mystique collection. Do our unboxing here. All right. I like this. No man, sweet. We got a nomad here. Pretty sure the hood opens. Oh boy, nice. I like that. Wildwood. And we got the trailer for it. Fits a whole car in there. Back closes. All right. Yeah. Then we got a all right. That's our first unboxing. Then we got this pretty one here. What do we got here? 1957 Chevy flatbed truck with a 1987 Chevy Caprice Classic. I'm gonna open this up here, get these out and see what they're looking like. All right. Now that's nice. I like this. Chevy flatbed. I'm gonna get this Caprice out of here. It's a nice little car. I ain't never had a Caprice. Boy, it's nice though. My two new toys of the day. Yes, sir.